Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you which one is better, Shopify versus Big Cartel. Let's go first with Shopify. For its target audience, it is designed for businesses of all sizes, from starts up to large enterprises. It's ideal for those seeking scalability and advanced features. Now for its features, offers over 100 themes, both free and paid, with extensive customization options. It supports a wide range of third-party apps and integration, including dropshipping tools like Oberlo. Shopify also provides robust SEO and marketing features, making it suitable for businesses aiming for growth and scalability. For its pricing, offers various plans starting at $39 per month, with a Shopify starter plan available at $5 per month. While it has higher monthly fees, it provides a comprehensive set of features suitable for growing businesses. Next is the Big Cartel. For its target audience, tailored for artists, creators, and small businesses with limited product inventories. It's best suited for those offering unique items or limited product runs. For its features, provides a selection of themes with basic customization options. It supports a limited number of integrations and lacks advanced features like dropshipping support. Big Cartel is more straightforward, focusing on simplicity and ease of use for smaller inventories. For its pricing, provides a free plan for up to 5 products. Paid plan starts at $9.99 per month for up to 50 products and $19.99 per month for up to 500 products. Big Cartel does not charge transaction fees, which can be advantageous for smaller operations. In conclusion, choose Shopify if you plan to scale your business, require advanced features, extensive customization, and support for a large product inventory. Choose Big Cartel if you're an artist, creator, or small business with a limited product range, seeking an affordable and easy-to-use platform without the need for extensive features. And that's basically it.